Okay, hi Shushmita, welcome to the session. How are you?
Okay, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So, as we are connecting for the very first time, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's great.
Okay,
Mm.
please introduce yourself. I would love to know.
Okay, as you know, my name is Mansi Gola. I hail from Delhi. If I talk about my educational qualifications, so I have done master in social work. If I talk about my profession, so I have been teaching English since 2010. After completed my 12th board, I started teaching in a school, and now it's been 2 years. I have started teaching online also. I'm also a YouTuber. I also run Facebook page. Yeah, that's all about me.
That's great. Very good to know. I watched your many videos. I think three, four videos I have watched, and you have been teaching for a long. I knew, and I watched one video with the Manju ma'am. I think you shared about the whole story, right?
Mhm. And she was guiding me, never talk about this.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Well, okay, no problem. Now you are feeling very proud to being a teacher, isn't it?
Yeah, because I wanted to be a teacher only. That was my dream. After completed my 10th, I decided to be a teacher. But I haven't tried to be a government teacher. I didn't never try.
Okay, you did not try to get government teacher. Okay, no problem. Let's discuss about the role of teacher then.
Okay,
Okay, yeah,
okay.
that is the good topic for you because you have been teaching for a long time.
Hmm.
So, what is the role of a teacher?
Teacher in teaching,
Yes, in teaching to what their students. What is the role? What is the responsibility?
there are so many rules. There should be so many rules because teacher should be punctual, teacher should be active, teacher should be hardworking, teacher should be aware about the subject, teacher should be polite also, and sometimes teacher should be strict to make them understand that why you are here, why you want to learn anything, whatever they are learning. So
Yes.
these things should be there in every teacher's life. And if a student is very weak, we can say, so we should not demotivate that, because there are so many teachers, they say like, you can't do anything, why you are here, why you are doing this, leave the study, and you can't do anything, you can't be anything. So we should not do this with any type of students. If a student is very weak, we should always motivate them like him, and we should always guide him that you can also do, you will take time, take your time, you can also do, you can also achieve your goal, you can also be like others. And if a smart teacher is here, and then we should never feel jealous about that, that like now he's trying to become so smart, and we should not feel jealousy, like we should not have any kind of jealousy with any kind of student. Yeah, that's enough.
Definitely. Teacher always proud their students, right? Teacher
Yes,
always wants their students should
yes,
go up than teacher.
yes, teacher
Isn't
makes
it?
a future. So if a student is trying to do something better than that teacher, so that teacher should always be proud that he and she is
Proud.
my student.
Fine
Hmm.
student. Yes, that is the real, and every teacher thinks, I think that every teacher thinks like this, that their student should go up than them.
Not every teacher. I have a bad experience with one teacher.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, not we can compare with each and everyone in the same page, right? So
No, no,
some
no.
people
I
are
should not.
up and
Yes.
down. So we
But
the
most of
teacher
the
has
time,
the
every teacher thinks that their student should go upper than them. You know.
yes, yes. But a teacher has one respect that it's always in a one position, right? We can't regret, we can't say anything to our teacher, especially
Yes.
who gives the knowledge, who gives the guide to us to do something in our life. Without teacher, we are nothing, right? How will
Uh,
we do anything?
without
Right,
him,
without
without the
teacher,
guide.
that is not possible. Teachers build someone's future, what they will do in future. They decide, right, which kind of knowledge they will give. Not only about the subject knowledge, some teacher,
About life.
motivates them to do something better, right? Apart
Yes.
from subject as well, they guide. isn't
Yes,
it?
they guide
So
about,
that is
they teach us about life lessons also.
life
It,
lessons also they teach us. They teach, yes,
hmm.
definitely. Okay, do you have any experience about your teacher that who guide you in your time?
You know, like I have so many teachers in my life. I say that. And if I talk about my school teachers, they are also in touch with me. My principal also, my math teacher, my English teacher, my science teacher, my geography teacher, my class teacher also, and
Okay.
they are still in touch with me, so I feel very proud, and they were very good in school time, and they used to guide me in every time, like in every situation. They used to teach me, like, how should we stand on the like a bus stop, how should we talk with any stranger, how should we stand like properly, like how a girl should be stand on any stand, we we talk very roughly, rough and tough way we used to talk with anyone. So we should not use this type of way to talk with anyone. And one more thing my teacher taught me, that is where we should never call anyone bhaiya and didi. You know, we should call
Okay.
sir and ma'am, and yeah. So she guided me every time. Like still she guides me a lot every
Okay.
time. Like if I make any mistake in my video, she guides me, Mansi, don't use this, Mansi, you do this. And like I feel
Oh,
very proud that they are still in touch with me.
yes, with me. And they are guiding, right?
Hmm.
They are thinking that you are still their student,
Yeah,
isn't it?
I'm
You are
still
lucky
with
enough.
their guidance, so I feel very proud that they are my guidance till now.
Yes, yes, that is the very good
But your
thing
experience,
for you. Sorry.
what about your experience?
Yeah, my experience also same. I had a teacher in my college time, school time also. There are lots of teachers who were good, but especially I very praised to one teacher who guided me a lot when I was in a college. So he not taught only about the lesson. He used to teach, that variety of things, how we need to work, how need whatever you said like this, what we have to do something better in our life, to be a good person, how to speak,
Or
how to talk, to be a good person, how will you be a good person. So this kind of things he taught to
these
us,
type
not
of things
only to
are
me.
also very important.
This is also apart from subject, this all things is very essential to be a good person, present in front of someone ourselves. So how we are presenting ourselves in front of
Yes,
someone, so that is the biggest things, that how we are presenting ourselves yourself.
behavior should be very important.
Behavior
How
is the
you're
matter
talking, how
first.
you're behaving with someone. You know, when
Yeah, that is.
our parents guide, so we don't listen them carefully. But when our teacher says anything, so we try to follow that thing, because my teacher is saying that, that's why I have to do this. So
Yes,
that's why whatever we learned from our teacher, we still remember in our mind that she taught me this thing, she taught me that thing. So like
yes.
how we sit anywhere, we should not spread our legs. Everything she taught me, everything, every small step. Like my class teacher was very good. Very, she was not like my teacher. She was like my mother. My
Yes,
class teacher
teacher
and
from.
my math teacher, the two
Mm.
were like my mother. Still, whenever I type message, sometimes I tell like mom. Sometimes I say mom, and they feel very proud. They say like, Mansi, nowadays we can't get a student like you. You still treat us as like you treat your mom. So they also feel proud on me.
That's sweet. Really, really, that is the good. But okay, do you have any kind of incident that at school or college with the teacher or any normal
Bad or
that you
good?
any incident or any kind of repentance you have?
Yes. When after completed my 10th board exam, so I wanted to take math, like commerce with math, but I was very poor in this subject. So I
Okay.
got like very less mark in math, but I got like passed. I got that degree, not degree, that certificate that I have
Mm.
cleared 10th also. So I went into my office, like principal's office, and she returned that she will take commerce but without math. So I started crying a lot. I started crying very loudly, like, ma'am, no, I want to take math, I want to take math because I want to be a banker. So my math
Okay.
teacher, Indu Rekha ma'am, she's still touching with me. So she guided me a lot. She hold me like a daughter, and she was guiding me a lot. No, dear, it's okay. If you're not getting this subject, don't worry. In college, you can get this, and you would be what you want to be now. So don't worry about this. I did also not had this subject when I was in school, so she guided me a lot, and she knows everything. Still she knows everything about me, about my family. So at that time she knows everything, like how my parents is suffering with the problem. At that time my father was ill, so she guided me very well, like, if you get this subject, you will hire a tuition teacher also, you will spend 1000 or 2000 monthly. So how would you get this type of money? So it's okay, take arts and continue your study. So I took arts, and yeah, so she's like my mother. I respect her from my bottom of my heart, because she's not my only teacher. She's more than the teacher. She's more than the God also. She's like my mother. So I equally treated both of them, like my mother also and to her also. And in my Kuva Pujan, she came into my home also, and
Okay.
she brings lots of gifts for me, for my son also. So yes.
That's
That was the
great.
best moment when she carried me as like this, and she was like, Mansi, don't worry, it's okay. In half an hour, she was doing like this.
Oh,
Hmm.
really. That is required sometime to us, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Sometimes we feel up and down that this kind of warm,
But teacher, they don't do
shoulder
these
we
type of
require.
things with the students. But she's a
Yes,
very kind person.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, same incident. It's happened with me, but I wanted to take commerce side, but I couldn't get chance to take commerce. I had to go with the art side. But my case
Hmm.
was little different. Art side was near to my house, and commerce was little far. I had to go. So
That was
I
the
did
reason.
not. Yeah, I couldn't join. But I also was good in math. So I wanted to do something through the math. I used to get lots of mark in only math, not apart from English. I used to get minimum mark, just a pass mark I used to get. But the math subject, I used to get lots of mark, and I wanted to join. I wanted to learn commerce side, but I couldn't. And for that, I must say that I failed in a first year just because of I had to take art side, and only three or four subject I passed, and two subject I failed. So
Okay.
teacher praised me that, and don't do like this. Next year your final board examination, if you do like this, then how you will cross? You will do nothing if you do like this. Then so you spend your 1 year, so definitely you should focus on next year as well. So then I
Hmm.
decided, okay, that is the my path, so I need to take it. So I decided, and I learned. Then I passed. I high secondary, that was the good mark, not that much bad, but how much I was expecting through the commerce side, according that it was not. So still I was
Okay.
satisfied. That is the my biggest repentance so far. I did not get chance to take commerce side. The biggest, I can't forget anymore.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So
Yeah.
sometimes I miss my teachers. Like, one of my, like, when I was in ninth standard, Ranjana ma'am, she used to be a class teacher of my class. Now she became a principal, and still I'm in touch with her also. And like every year I message them on their birthday, and on Teachers Day, and on like on every festival, I can say.
Okay.
So and they also reply me on Teachers Day also, especially they reply me, and they
Okay.
blessed me also. Like they bless me, like they give me blessings. I feel very happy that they know me till now. They know the name of my, like,
Yes.
her students. Like what is my name? Sometimes my other classmates, they say that, Mansi, could you please give me her number, her that teacher number, that teacher? I said no, I can't give you because I saved their number. Like I have been saving their number when I completed my 12th, and
Okay.
yeah, so and they lost their number. So why I should give them? No, and my teachers, and they also don't know the name of them. So
Oh,
they don't recognize them, so that's why I don't want to give them. And my teacher also says that don't give, because I also don't know them, that's why I don't give anybody.
hmm. Yeah, that is the good thing. You always get guides from them, right?
Yeah,
It's required to do something better. If you get some guidance from them, you can ask to them, what will I do next,
they
right?
also watch my YouTube and Facebook page, they also watch my YouTube and Facebook page, my all teachers. Like I
Uh,
have 5 to 6 teachers number, and they also knows that I am what I'm doing. They feel very proud. When my
yeah.
husband got government job, I tell to my every teacher that ma'am, my husband now he's a PGT physics in Kendriya Vidyalaya. They were feeling very proud. Like, and my Indurekha ma'am, maths teacher, and she was like very proud, and she was telling to everyone in her school also. Like one of my
Yeah.
student, her husband got a job, and now he's PGT physics, and she was like within 4 and 3 days she used to call me, and she used to tell me like, Mansi, I told to that friend, and she was telling this to yourself. So she used to pass that message to me that what they are thinking about me. And when I started my YouTube channel, and she was very proud, and she used to comment on my videos also. And my other teacher, science teacher and English teacher, they also used to comment over my videos. So I feel very proud that they are in touch with me. Like whether we are talking once in a month or once in a year, it doesn't matter. We are connected with each other, right?
Yes, yes, that is the required. We feel very rejuvenate, right? After talking, after
Mhm.
sharing our
Yes,
thoughts in front of them, they guide us, then we will get another way to go to
yes.
forward, right? So that is the
When my
required.
any teacher message me or call me, I feel very grateful. I feel very happy. I feel
I
very,
also,
yeah, I can't tell
I
that
also,
feeling, what I
yeah,
feel at that time. Mhm.
yes. Okay, okay, okay. My baby is calling me.
Okay, now
Okay,
it's now not
thank
possible, I
you.
think, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
he got up now, so he's calling.
Okay,
Okay,
it was
thank
nice
you
talking
so
with
much.
you. We'll reconnect again very soon. Bye
Yeah,
bye. Take
sure.
care.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hi.
You
How are
want to
you?
disconnect?